Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see, part on the screen, we have a lot of updates to give you in this one, so it's extremely important to watch the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Markie because, you know, from the past 2 weeks, I don't want to know from what to go on, from not to go on, you see what I say. And honestly, people, I just don't know because he went to court today, but it was adjourned and he won't be back to court for the next 2 weeks, January 27th. Putting out the comment section what you think about that because I'm not gonna lie, my people. I don't want to say he's going to be lost in the system, but when you check the NYC, you know, the New York Department of Corrections website, it says his next court date is December 28th. 2028. That's 2 years from now, my people. You see what I say? So, well, I don't really know what to say. Other than it's not a good look. He still has a legal aid. I'm not sure if he's waiting to be transferred to Atlanta because that's where the fugitive warrant look like it stemmed from to get, you know, proper representation. But yeah, it's not a good look, my people. You know, the people I'm saying this has to do with real estate fraud. You see what I'm saying? These things carry a 30-year life sentence. So like I said, my people, I think the feds them just got put on to the case when, you know, them go for lock him up, but them say what them like. You see what I'm saying? So them gonna build a quick case in the meantime. So that's why I think it's sealed and they still holding him until further matters. You see what I'm saying? And you know, a few other people might get locked up as well because you know these things need help to be done. You know, fake IDs and all type of documents and things and things. But when just again a quick update while going for that to go on. If anything new transpire, may I let you know. Right. So let's proceed. Because, like I said, it's not a good look. The only thing new with Markie I forgot to mention is they switched them over to one different facility on Rikers Island, a place where they keep detainees ready for extradition and like juveniles and them thing there. You see, I say, a lot of people is asking why his friends can't, you know, hire him proper attorney. But if we don't know anything, we don't know, say, paparazzi, Apple and J, they're going to be sentenced to prison in the next 2 weeks, January 30th. So we're giving an update on that case as well. But looking at Kalin, well, it's not a good look, my people. The mother finally come out and tell the world why Kalin can't go live on TikTok no more because the people them bad mind and hating and don't want her forget, you know, the money to get whatever she needs in life is amazing. So let's hear what I'm going for that to go on and I'll give you my honest opinion at the end.
You see the people that might report my live a while ago? TikTok turn off my live a while ago. Are the same people them way report Kalin live. Hold on, Angie. Mute your mic. Let me tell you this. You could have fly high or fly low. You cannot stop my child. No devil, no demon, no witchcraft, no sorcery. No matter how much time on a report her live, on a report my life. Kalin cannot go live until 2031. That is what TikTok said. And she no do nothing wrong on her live. I pray we over there, pray and I worship. When on a report her live. I go live a while ago, I talk to the people them and I tell them why Kalin cannot go live. And you know what they did? They reported my live and said that I am displaying sexual nudity and I am displaying sexual behaviors. No, me stand up, I porridge me a cook in my kitchen. I want to say me a display sexual behaviors, but God go with you know. Me say you no heart black and you no go prosper. You no go prosper and you no go far. Me tell you, all the money we not collect over TikTok no go help you know. All the money we not scrape over there, want a bad mind for my child to remove her trick. You no it no go do nothing for you. You no go stay suffering and you no go stay begging and you no go stay hungry same way. You wicked. You wicked and you heart black and you dark in yourself. And God, let me tell you, God not like ugly. And you go reap the rewards I want to sow. I can't tell all of you that. You go and reap the rewards of what you are sowing. So no continue. God go with you no, because me can tell you this. You no cut off my life, me go build another page. You no cut off your one, go build another page. And if you no keep on cutting off, we just continue build page, because at the end of the day, TikTok are for everybody. And she not over there look house, and she not look car, and she not look land, and she not look body, and she not look breast, and she not do lip, and she not do body. You understand? And una do all of that over there. Una skip and tool. Una live off of people. And una want nobody else fi have nothing. Me not look nothing out of TikTok. The only thing we are look, one surgery. One surgery. One surgery. But in the name of Jesus, me can tell you this. Una shall reap what una sow. Una shall reap what una sow. Una shall reap. Remember me to tell you this. Una shall reap what una sow. And know on self. Una know on self. When I go report my page, TikTok say me I show a breast leg and thigh over there. Me, I show a breast leg and thigh over there, and me I do sexual content. Or pa me page. Pa me live. But God go with you now.
Put in the comment section, do you believe people is reporting Kalin's life? Honestly, people, I don't believe that. TikTok is a very strict place, my people. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. If me say one word like OnlyFans, boom, live get shut down, you know. This is my say, and silly other things too, you feel me? So I think, you know, these people is new to the scene, and they're talking about serious topics, as you can imagine what happened to Kalin, you feel me? But I'm not on their live to see what was said, to see if, you know, that was the reason why the live was reported. Because you can't appeal these things. And if, you know, the things that, you know, the thing got reported for is not mentioned in the live, then we're free to. You know what I mean? But I just have one quick thing to say, because I know I have a lot of females following me in the nursing field and things. According to this document a few years ago, according to, you know, Venetia Buckley, the UE doctors don't want to do any more things on Kalin because it might risk her losing her voice permanently. You see, my people, I know a few years later, Kalin's mom said she has no voice.
Sky the live?
Misha, she does not speak, Misha. She speaks, but she has no voice. No sound.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? So I don't know if anybody can explain that to me, because they said the failure rate of the surgery is very high, and if they do it, and they might have to be doing it several times, Buckley explained, adding the doctors do not want to, you know, do it to the surgery risk. And you know, it's potential for Kalin to lose her voice permanently, and inability, and things and things. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Because you know, they're telling them that you know, never get no 62 million, a bag of things, you know. This is my said. This is why I don't know why they never got a GoFundMe route as they was doing before. This is my said, because boy, I want to see what type of living it up on TikTok. But I'm just again a quick update while I go on for that to go on. You see me? Now I have a little update for Una on local Addy and then baby mother drama. Yes, cause you know the sender them is keep on sending. You feel me? They're keeping up with their story, your side, and they're noticing that, you know, the mom is missing, you know, her daughter. This man say, as you know, in the other review that we did, the people them were saying it look at the tech way, the child from the mama for whatever reason. This man say, only per shade did that true. So them notice I just bare old pictures. The mom is posting with the daughter. His man said they claims that it's because, you know, the girl must have dis up Shorty or some things like that. I can't confirm that. But like I said, the story is out there. So yeah, they're saying that Uncle Addy is throwing shade to a post up. You know, a new woman and IG story and all of these things. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Put in the comment section what you think about that. And this is why Mel is saying, you know, if a boy no want her, she's going to let a boy know, say, she'll pull out of this, you know, because she not going to take no F-ray. You know?
Supposed to be a safe space. But you can chat people. Anytime a relationship become a battlefield run. Anytime my relationship start cause headache, me a run, me not sickle for nothing when me usually sickle for fight for what? Stress, disadvantage and disrespect. Anyhow, me have a relationship and I can't be at peace around my partner, I will leave. It reach a point where my head easy for at me and it's not migraine. I call. Me can't bother with them the stress. Me not supposed to see you as my man. Me a John my shield. Cause at least look at thing me set here. I go right. Nah. After a war with the and Iraq, anytime you see a day, then somebody and you have to saggle up and you have to walk on ice with them. Fuck that blood clot there. That's why like all blood clot still piss in a bucket while I need it guys before you think up your house. Look pan what me a send a man. Me no know about no girl but me a talk for me. I rather have 3 blood clot man than 1 bumbo clot man a give me problem. Me supposed to there on a man we can talk, laugh, feel each other energy. We not supposed to name up each other like a dog and jankro. Not a bumbo pussy rascal. Me not promise no boy that. No, in a this pussy clot here no time. No pan a bumbo clot what? And a me a work. And me da mind myself. I want me look. Instead of my peace, better it a get worse. And me can't bumbo clot sit down and have a peace of mind. Just because of your insecurities and your ways, me not try to change no bumbo wall. Me enter relationship nowadays, me not try to change no pussy. If you rest a girl, them couldn't change. After me no blood clot counselor. After me not do therapist. Me don't want therapy myself. I want thing me a therapist to do. And me peace of rascal mind. Me peace of mind is all. Me say me get up one Sunday, me not argue with nobody. Me parents supposed to get up. Have a little disagreement and we move on. Me say, oh, yeah, move like pussy also, yes. Once me feel like a boy tired of me start pull. And me a make you know so me pull. So only thing a boy can left me from my mouth. Cause my mouth look a bit big and bust. Me not take no fuck from nobody. I can't the pussy. I can't cook. I can't clean. I must my blood clot mouth to bust cause me not take no fuckery.
Yeah, madness. Anyway, people, I still want to give them quick update channel the day. And we'll definitely give you some in the night. So do the right thing. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and turn on the notification bell. And please like and share the video 1,000 times on our social media platforms. It's a man said. Bless.